Hi everyone! Now we'll walk you through steps you can take on your computer. We have many different settings for our notifications, and if you're having problems receiving them, it might be because some of them are turned off. Let's make sure these different settings are on at every level. You need to have subscribed to a channel in order to turn on notifications. If you've subscribed to a channel but aren't receiving notifications, it may be because the channel's notification settings are off. When you visit the channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button. If you don't want to miss any notifications, make sure you have all checked in the window. Then click Save. Now we'll walk you through steps you can take on your Android device. Tap your account icon. Now tap Settings, then Notifications. First, make sure that you have Notify on this device toggled on, and turn the sound on if you want sounds for your notifications. In the channel's Home tab, tap the bell next to the subscribe button. If notifications aren't enabled for the YouTube app, you'll see the option to enable them in your device's settings. When you tap the bell, you'll see options appear at the bottom. When you tap on Options, you can choose the frequency of your notifications. Welcome to the last video in this series. Now we'll walk you through steps you can take on your iPhone or iPad. Open your device's Settings app. Now tap Notifications. On this screen, tap YouTube. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on.